In today's digital age, privacy has become a precious commodity, and managing it can often feel like navigating a labyrinth. One small yet significant step towards reclaiming a bit of that privacy is turning off the Instagram active status. This feature, while useful for some, can feel intrusive to others who prefer to browse without the pressure of instant responses. Fortunately, turning it off is a straightforward process that can help you regain some peace of mind. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once there, navigate to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, which will open the menu. Within this menu, select Settings. This is where the magic happens. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Privacy. Under Privacy, you'll see a section labeled Activity Status. Tap on it, and you'll be presented with a simple toggle switch. By default, this switch is turned on, allowing your followers to see when you were last active or if you're currently online. To turn off your active status, simply tap the switch, and it will slide to the left, turning gray. Voila! You've just taken a step towards a more private Instagram experience. It's important to note that once you disable your activity status, you won't be able to see the active status of others either. This mutual exchange ensures privacy is respected on both ends. By making this change, you allow yourself the freedom to engage with the platform on your own terms, without the constant visibility of your online presence. Enjoy the newfound tranquility as you scroll through your feed without the digital spotlight.